Hey guys, what's up? It's Kayla and welcome back to another video. I have not posted in forever. To be honest, I'm not sure if this video or our mini honeymoon vlog is going to go up first, so maybe you've seen that already, maybe you haven't. But today's video is going to be a grocery haul. Caleb and I just did our huge grocery haul, our first one for the new apartment, so I thought that I would film it because we had to get a ton of stuff to restock the new kitchen. That's where I am right now. I'm not going to show you guys the kitchen yet because I really want to do a formal apartment tour, but I did just want to show you all the stuff that we got because I haven't filmed in forever and I miss it, and I just want to show you guys all the food we got. So we still live right across the street from a Wegmans, so that's super awesome and super easy. So I guess let's just get into it. So Caleb got a loaf of his favorite bread, the Oat Nut by Arnold. We got some thank you cards because we need to write them from the wedding. We got 2 pounds of strawberries that look really good. I'm so excited to start eating more fruit and fresh foods now that it's summer. We got some raisins, some So Delicious coconut milk yogurt. This is the unsweetened vanilla kind. Some extra firm tofu. We got a bunch of olives. I think there's 3 cans of these, but they're not all in the same bag. So we got olives, and we got some pinto beans and some chickpeas, a few cans of both of those. Also, I'm sorry I look so sweaty. I don't know what time it is, but it's really hot in here, and we've also been running around doing stuff all day. So yeah, we got 2 cans of no salt added tomato sauce, and then there's also just some cat food in there, which you don't care about. We got about, I don't even know, like 10 bunches of ripe bananas. This whole thing is full of bananas, and we haven't had bananas in forever, so I'm super excited to freeze those and to make some nice cream in our, you can barely see it, our Vitamix. We just got the Vitamix today. I'm so excited. If you guys know me at all, you know that having a Vitamix is like my dream, so I'm really happy to finally have one, and I can't wait to use it for breakfast tomorrow. We also got some asparagus, some bags of, these are the Vegan Rob's cauliflower puffs, which I am currently obsessed with, and then these are the Brussels sprout puffs, which I haven't tried yet, but I figured might as well try them if I like the cauliflower puffs. We got a box of Nugo Dark. These are the chocolate chip bars. Nugo Dark is one of mine and Caleb's favorite bar brands. We also got a box of Ezekiel 4-9 sprouted golden flecks, like cereal granola or whatever. It's from the brand Food for Life. I love eating that with the yogurt and then strawberries or something, and then maybe like some maple syrup if I feel like it needs to be sweeter. Also got a box of chocolate chip cookie dough Larabars, some all natural creamy peanut butter. Caleb got a big pack of elbow pasta, and wow, that's actually everything that we got. For some reason that haul felt so much larger than it actually was, but I wanted to show you guys basically what we needed to buy to kind of restock our kitchen now that we live somewhere else. We do still have like our freezer is full of frozen berries, and we have some gluten-free pastas and some other nut butters and some other veggies and stuff like that. So we do have food here, but we just really needed to restock so we could actually make meals, because we've been eating out a ton since we've been gone for the wedding, and since we just kind of moved here, we just haven't really had the time to buy enough food to make meals, and it's kind of just easier to be lazy and go out to eat. So Caleb's oh wait, where did the zucchini and squash end up? We also got zucchini and squash. Caleb is patiently waiting over here to make his dinner because he's using some of these ingredients, but I just really wanted to film this video quick. I think they're in the bottom of this bag probably. But we also got zucchini and some summer squash, some yellow squash, and yeah, that's our whole grocery haul. So sorry this video was short, but I just wanted to, you know, like I said, show you guys some of the stuff that we got to restock our new apartment. I can't wait to do our apartment tour and to show you guys, you know, around, and you can already tell that the lighting is better. I'm in the kitchen right now, like I said, and
it's the avocado.
We also got a bag of avocados that was in the bottom of our banana bag that I forgot. Oh my gosh, okay.
These peaches are smashed.
This is why it felt so short. I also got a bag of peaches. Oh my god, they smell like summer. They smell so good. So I got 4 of those. I got 3 of like the regular ones, and then one of these little like donut flat ones, and there's the splashes. So that is the end of our grocery haul. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I can't wait to get back to making more videos. I'm super excited. I missed you guys so much. So I will see you guys soon. I love you and thank you for watching. Bye.